Well, work is finally done. Stop by for one of these bad boys. Time to open her up. Shit sounds good. Traca, escorcho. Nice and cold. Whew. I'm about to put the rest in the refrigerator. Because what we about to do, I'm about to take some tires off my trailer. These right here. As you can see, there's a nail right there. Boom. And then this one is low. That bitch is empty. You! So what we're about to do is get all the stuff off. Take it back. Wait for the jack. When I bought this bad boy, they told me, why do you need something to carry 30,000 tons? Because I got a trailer that weighs fucking 15. Fuck. And we got a little fucking wand. Boop. Shooting right for you. Boom. Tracas a la verga. So let's see where we're even gonna put this thing at. Hey, where we even gonna put this thing there? Hey, because it's too tall. We're gonna slide it right there. Sorry, where's my ass? Basically. No nail, no cut on the outside. Is there a cut on the inside? Oh, there is a nail right here. Right here, look. Yeah, so that tire's gonna have to be taken off. Cause this shit. Yeah, it's definitely right there. Now, the thing I'm worried about is now this fucking bolt. That shit is twisted and broken there. So how are we gonna do this? Boom. That has all the sockets in it. This is the one that has the gun in it. This stuff out. I think this one still had battery. 25. Nope, I think it's 27. That's 22. 23. 27. Rock on. How? When I got my tire from over here, my little spares, now we're gonna roll it that way. Got the cows eating in the corral. They all made it in. Basically, look at this bitch. Look at that dumb nigga. He gonna break my shit. Alright, so. Okay, cool. we go up on jet. Hey, boy. Alright, easy. Easy, brother. Come over. Say where to go. Oh. Right there. Move back over here. You gotta put this back.
Look at my nuts. Look at my nuts. You.
My nuts.
You.
Look back. Oh. Damn. Oh, damn, fucking E. Good as new. That bolt is still missing though. I need to get another one. This tire is still holding up, so it's gonna stay on till that bitch gives up. Either way, I got a spare tire right here. Bitch, that should feel kind of empty too. I'm about to fill it up though. Fill it up though. Well, I think I'm done with this. She's done. Phew. What's up, baby? Think I need to feed you some more, right? Think you already finished your shit up? Man.